Roam the city with the Nakto Santa Monica Cruiser bike, the perfect bike for adults and anyone who wants a reliable daily ride. It features the classic cruiser frame plus modern components suited for the challenging urban environment. The Nakto Santa Monica is powered by a 48V 500W DC hub motor sitting inside the rear wheel for direct torque on the road. It has more power compared to other electric bikes in its price range. Enjoy quick acceleration for traveling through rough roads and go over potholes with ease. This model has a 48V lithium-ion battery pack with 10Ah capacity. The electric city bike has a range of 18 miles, so it has more than enough power to last throughout the day. Ride it to work or school without worrying about the range. The Nakto Santa Monica electric bike features a thumb throttle and a pedal assist function. The throttle gives power in your hands to speed on the road effortlessly. The pedal assist is hooked to a speed sensor that provides accurate torque for more effortless pedaling. The bike also comes with a 6-speed Shimano derailleur to control and ride it like an ordinary bike. The Nakto Santa Monica Cruiser bike is a stylish city bike, featuring a classic cruiser frame and 26-inch spoked rims equipped with CST Rock Hawk puncture-resistant tires that give it an excellent grip on loose surfaces, and frame that is made of high-strength carbon steel with a premium paint finish. The bike will serve you for several years. Buy yours now at Electric Bike Paradise and save hundreds of dollars in total savings. We ensure you the lowest price available, free shipping to lower 48 of USA, no sales tax outside Wyoming, and other Electric Bike Paradise exclusive promos and freebies. Limited stock on hand, so get yours now before they're gone. Welcome to Electric Bike Paradise, your #1 source to find the best electric bikes for sale. We're dedicated to giving you the very best electric bikes, with a focus on selection, quality, and uniqueness. Shop our selection of name brand electric bikes today and get free shipping plus no sales tax and more.